Some new stuff on the Navi. I did the S23 complete clutch kit that I got through Scooter Swap Shop. Comes complete with like everything you would need. It's got 3 different sets of weights. Comes with the new variator and everything. This is all stock stuff, but just for reference. The new clutch obviously comes with it. This is the old stock one, but it comes with 3 different sets of springs for the clutch. So they open up at, what it does is it allows the clutch to open up at different RPMs. So you would change those out by just popping these C-clip, or yeah, I think it's a C-clip. You'd pop those off, pull this off, and then the springs are right under there. You can kind of see them in there. There's 3 of them on the inside. So the current setup that I'm running on my Navi is the 12-gram weights. Focus. I got the 12-gram weights with the 1,000 RPM springs. It's just really simple to do the job. You don't even need to pull the Kickstarter off. You can just leave that on. I think it's about 8 bolts total holding the case on, and then 1 little screw, Phillips head, to pop this boot off. That's about all there is to it, really. Pretty simple. The hardest part is just finding, at least in my case, the 39mm 6-point socket that's required to put the new clutch in. It's a simple process. Videos are online on how to do it, so I'm not going to waste my time showing anybody that. This setup that I have on here, again, it's the 12-gram weights with 1,000 springs. It's working well for me. I was topping out around 53 miles an hour. Yeah, right, 53 mile an hour. So, but you really notice the difference in your speed going from like 0 to 30-ish or so, because these things, as everybody knows, are stupid sluggish off the line. So it makes it a little less sketchy when you're the first one at a stoplight, at a traffic light, and everyone's trying to ride on your rear tire there and run you over. I also added a LED light bar onto the front of it that I got just on Amazon. Came in a 2-pack. It was I don't know, 50% off or something wild like that, so I got 2 of them for like $35. Obviously I only used 1, but I can either sell it or put it on some different project of mine. I also 3D printed this little horn cover. It's a little dress-up kit thing there that I printed. And the switch, I have it wired directly to the battery with an inline fuse. And I have the switch mounted right to the handlebar. It looks pretty much identical to like your kill switch, your engine kill or stop switch or whatever. And then to turn it on, I just flick it on. I kind of have it angled down pretty far because I'm not trying to blind oncoming traffic or anything. I'll more than likely always turn it off if there is a car coming towards me. It's just nice to have. There's a lot of deer out by me. It adds just that little bit of extra lighting, as you can see. So it's not overpoweringly bright, but it definitely, that's no headlight on right now either. I don't have the bike turned on. It does a pretty good job. And I thought it looked pretty good. I have it mounted. I ended up mounting it to, I believe it's a 10 or a 12 millimeter bolt that holds like all this plastic shrouding to, there's like a metal frame, kind of framework behind all that. So it's a pretty sturdy mount. It's just a single bolt that I mounted it to. It also popped off where the reflectors, it's like that little bump out and the reflectors were on a bracket there. I just took that off completely to get it out of the way. And I mean, this is pretty solid. The bike will be running, and you can hardly see it vibrating at all. And I Loctited everything up. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. So I just thought I'd do a little quick update. Just another little thing I added to the bike. Between the complete clutch kit, the S23 from Scooter Swap Shop, and that little LED light bar I found on Amazon. Alright, thanks for watching.